Free virtual Visa card accepted pink hearts. Hey there, welcome back to Roladel Business. If you're looking for a specific virtual Visa card that accepts pink hearts that's totally for free, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you the top 5 virtual cards that we can use internationally for any website, including Google and Bing Ads, and we can apply to them totally for free. I mean, there are a lot of virtual credit cards available online right now, and there are so many things that you can choose from on the internet, such as international credit cards. But I think I'll just do a little research, and I think I found the best 5 credit cards that can be really usable for you. So first of all, I'm going to show you this one called AstroPay. This one is just very easy to create an account and start paying online within a second. Right now, the benefit of speaking about this virtual card is that the transactions are truly instant. It's very easy to use, it's quite secure, and the greatest part is that if you're looking for something international, multi-currency is available for you. So that means if you want to change from dollars into another currency or into any local currency that works in your country, this credit card might be the best option for you and speaks about the payment methods. As you can see, there are different payment methods available here, and they are constantly trying to improve all the payment methods. Such a really awesome platform for you. So if you want to sign up for a virtual card, you need to go into the start section. I'm going to leave you a link down below the description guide so you can check it out, and you can have just a few rewards just by signing it up with a link down below. When you do that, it's going to be asking you for your phone number in order to start creating your own account. So after you put in the country that you're currently living in, you'll have to fill in your number and then go on. After that, it's going to be telling you which one fits you the best depending on the country that you're currently living in, and just like that, you can just download the application using your phone, whether you're using a Google Play or an iPhone App Store. I have this in my Google Play, and it's very easy application to use. So moving on to number 2 option that I truly use is Slice. So if you go into slice.com, you can use this link that I'm going to leave you down below in the description. Actually, this one works as a credit card, but slice.com is an international website. So I'm not pretty sure if it's the same corporation. Slice is something really interesting, and one of the things that can be really beneficial for us is the cashback or the rewards just for using virtual card. So when you use their virtual card, you get an instant cashback on every transaction you made. There is no minimum requirement, and it's actually great. That means if you spend like 20,000, you have to get like $100 instant cashback right away in your account. The other thing that I love about this card is that there is no annual fees you have to pay for, and no joining fees. You have no eat, and there is no eating charges. So the purchases are calculated in real time. You don't have to be spending extra money. So once again, after you click into the link that I'm going to leave you down below, you just need to scan the QR code to download this application, and you can, or maybe you can scan this code here, and there you can just start with your process. It's very simple to have an international card. Now, the number 3 option that I can suggest to you guys is called EcoPays. This website has found a new option, but I'm pretty sure EcoPays will try to emulate something related to Slice, because yes, it's safe and secure as almost every kind of company. Speaking about creating an account, it's really easy. Speaking about sending money, it's really easy, and international stuff like converting from one currency into another one. For me, I think that's a very important feature, and trying to look for an international credit or debit card to try to change from one currency into another one and make a transaction internationally. You can even apply for a face card, it is as this a contactless MasterCard. I mean, you have to just enable that into your terminal. It means you just need to make the contactless ATM, and it's really easy, and you can even get an application for a business transfer account. If you're willing to work with that, send a huge amount of dollars, euros, pounds, or international transfers and all that. I mean, you can just apply for the business account, and it's not that hard to get started. So if you get started, this section is going to be choosing you like, I want to create a merchant or a business account. If you choose a merchant, it's going to be asking you for your business email. You can create a username and create a password, and then you can continue. And after that, it's going to be just really simple to verify your account and to fill your profile. Now, the number 4 option is almost like PayPal. Almost everybody has PayPal because PayPal is worldwide, but there are few countries where this application is not available, and if it's available in your country, there are few things that are not enabled yet. For example, PayPal allows cryptocurrencies, and here in Latin America, cryptocurrencies inside PayPal is not allowed here yet. So that's the reason why this website comes in. Now, this great platform is a very great chance to save our money, make the most transfers, and that's what I'm trying to talk about here. We have multi-currency digital wallet, which is one very interesting thing. I personally am trying to look for an international prepaid card that has instant domestic users to use transfer, as I just told you. The mobile airtime top up and many countries specify features. I'm pretty sure that it's available in your country because I was just trying to figure out which country. It's likely where you can find a digital wallet, and I'm sure that it's kind of like Indonesia, but this one also works here. So if this one works in Indonesia, I'm pretty sure it's going to be working in your country. And if it doesn't work, if it's not available yet, I mean, this website is expanding really fast. So as you can see, it's not available yet into the country like Egypt, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, or Qatar. But these are the reasons it's going to be available maybe next year. So it's really worth it to take a look into this digital platform. The last application I'm going to be showing you is totally very popular in the United States, but it's also international, and that's the very reason it's very international. And this is called Skrill. This is so far the biggest secure compartment on easily spent cards to get international. You see here, there are so many things that you can expect here and to Skrill. So if I've previously told you about the benefit of Slide, the benefit of EcoPays, and the benefit of AstroPay, what I love most is the instant cashback that I love about the deals of other places after you make your transactions. Skrill has everything in this application. It's really simple to have an account, and you can even buy or sell cryptos inside the application, which is actually really simple, and they are loyal to your words by using your wallet. They have great benefits. You can even earn some points on every transaction in this point, and can get you some rewards inside this Skrill. So I truly love three things about having a virtual card. The first one is the benefits, the second one is the security, and the third one, which is the number 3, is that you don't have to pay any annual or any kinds of fees. I think the best way to send your money away is by using this website application, which is Wise. It's a really cheap, fast way to send money abroad, and you just need to register an account. And if you send, let's say for example, a $1,000, and I want to convert that into the British pound, here is the connected account, and here's my fee. So if I choose the connected bank account, this money is going to be sent into this account, and that can send the money from the account into the bank account. So we're saving a lot of fees here. We have connected our account, our bank account, and you don't have to do a lot of things just if you want to send money and be sure you really love this application. I'm going to leave you a link below. Guys, speaking about this Wise and this other online wallet for yourself. So hopefully this was a pretty useful tool for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Roladel Business if you want to see more about this. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.